Hello students, exercise 1.4 question number 3. If A is equal to set of all P, Q, R, S, B is equal to set of all M, N, Q, S, T, and C is equal to set of all M, N, P, Q, S, then verify the associative property of union of sets. Dear students, you know the formula for associative property of union of sets. The formula is A union of B union C is equal to A union of B union C. This is the associative property of union of sets. So we have to verify this property. So first we have to find B union C. B union C is equal to, first listing the element of B. The elements of B are 3, M, N, Q, S, T. Then union. Listing the elements of C. Elements of C are M, N, P, Q, S. So now we have to union the elements. We have to write all the elements together. If the elements comes to us, we have to write only one times. So all elements சேர்த்து எழுத போறோம். So M, N, so P அதில் இருக்கு எழுதிக்கலாம் P, then Q, then S, T. So எல்லா எலிமெண்ட் சேர்த்து எழுதியாச்சு. So M, N, Q எழுதியாச்சு, S எழுதியாச்சு, T எழுதியாச்சு, இதில் MN எழுதியாச்சு, இதில் P எழுதியாச்சு, Q எழுதியாச்சு, S. So all the elements we have written. Next you have to find the A union of B union C. A union of B union C is equal to, first listing the elements of A. Elements of A are P, Q, R, S. These are the elements of A. Then union. Elements of B union C. So elements of B union C elements is there. So B union C elements இங்க இருக்கு. So அதை எழுதிக்கணும். So now M, N, P, Q, S, T. So A ஓட elements எழுதியாச்சு. Then B union C ஓட elements எழுதியாச்சு. Now so we have to union all the elements together. So now P, Q, R, S. இதில் இருக்கிறது M, N, P ஆல்ரெடி எழுதியாச்சு, Q எழுதியாச்சு, S எழுதியாச்சு, T எழுதல. ஸோ T எழுதிக்கலாம். ஸோ இதை நம்ம ஆர்டராகவும் எழுதிக்கலாம், இல்லை இப்படியும் எழுதலாம். ஸோ நவ் வி கேன் ரைட் இன் ஆர்டர். ஸோ M, alphabetic order, N, P, Q, R, S, T. So elements order எழுதியாச்சு. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So take it as equation 1. Then we have to find out the right hand side. A union of B union C. So first we have to find out, this is A union of B union C. So this is the one of the answer. That is equation 1. Next, second one, first we have to find A union B. So A union B means we have to union the A and B. So first we have to write the elements of A. So elements of A are P, Q comma R comma S. Then union elements of B. Elements of B are M comma N comma Q comma S comma T. So A odd elements and B odd elements. Then we have to union the elements together. Also we have to write in order, ascending order. So first M will come. So M comma N comma, then P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. So all the elements we have written from the both cell elements of ADH. Next we have to find the A union B of union C. So this one we have to find now. So is equal to, first write the elements of A union B. M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. So these are the elements of A union B. Union. So write the elements of C. So elements of C are M comma N comma P comma Q comma S. M comma N comma P comma Q comma S. P comma Q comma S. So now we have to write all the elements together. Now we have to write all the elements in the both set. If the elements comes twice, we have to write only once. So எல்லா elements சேர்த்து எழுத போறோம். Elements 2 times இதுலயும் அதுல இருந்தா 1 time தான் எழுதணும். So first M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. So all the elements we have written. So let us check. M எழுதியாச்சு, N P Q R S T, M N P Q S already written. So this is equation 2. This is answer for A union B of union C. So this is equation 2. See, check out from 1 and 2. So M இருக்கு ரெண்டுத்துலயும், N இருக்கு, P இருக்கு, Q R S T. So இதில் இருக்கிற எல்லா எலமெண்ட்ஸுமே இதிலையும் இருக்கு. All the elements in 1 and 2. So A union of B union C is equal to, so here A union of B union C. So this is A union of B union C is equal to M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. Then A union B of union C is equal to M comma N comma P comma Q comma R comma S comma T. So both are equal. Equation 1 and 2 are equal. From equation 1 and 2, A union of B union C is equal to A union B of union C. Therefore union of sets is associative. Therefore union of sets is associative. Hence proved. Okay, thank you students.